With over a million sellers on print-on-demand platforms, the challenge is always finding profitable niches with low competition and avoiding oversaturated markets. That's exactly where 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏 comes in. It provides the data and insights you need to make smart, profitable decisions. 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏 is mainly a comprehensive research and analytics tool that was created to help both beginners and experienced sellers identify profitable opportunities across multiple print-on-demand platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and more. And in this video, I will show you how you can increase your print-on-demand sales by using 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏 to discover profitable niches with minimal competition, find high-performing keywords that drive traffic and sales, check designs for trademark violations before publishing, track emerging trends and seasonal opportunities, create designs online using 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏 Designer. So let's jump in. If you click on the link in the description, this will take you directly to 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏. You will find a similar page to the one in front of you where you can log into your account or register for free. You get some of 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏 features for free, or you can simply use the discount in the description to get a full subscription with a discounted code. But before logging in, let me show you something. If you leave these settings, the US and t-shirt product, and press on the search button, this will take you directly to the Amazon website where you can find all the t-shirts listed, and you can sort them by newest arrivals, as I always like to do, to see the recent uploads on Amazon. And this is one of the ways that I always use to find recent trends on Merch by Amazon. But let's go back and log into our 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏 account. So once you log in, you will find a similar interface to this one. So the first feature that we are going to check on 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏 is the merch calendar. Supposedly you don't know anything about print-on-demand or the recent niches or the keywords to work on. So this calendar shows you the important events and trends on each month. So for example, the month of June, you will find many events. The ones in blue shows you the most important events in the US, and this is what I always like to work on. And for example, the Father's Day is an important event on the 15th. It's an important event in the US and one of the major events in the month of June that you can work on. And we have also a couple of unofficial holidays that are listed in green, and there is also the Independence Day in the month of July, the 1st of July, one of the major events in the US, and this is a perfect time to work on it as we are still in the early days of the month of June. So going back to 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏 main menu, the first important feature that we're going to work on that we're going to check is the competition checker. If you press on the competition checker, you can enter the keyword that you want to see the results here. So we're going to work on the Father's Day keyword and press on the search button, and this will give us the score for this keyword. And the scoring system for 𝗗𝗏𝗡𝗏 works by providing you a score between 1 and F, between A and F. A is the best score and F means the niche or the keyword is saturated and you cannot work on it. And of course, the Father's Day niche is very broad and very saturated. It got a score of F, and the total products online are very huge for 47A and above. And on this page, you will also get to see some of the most important bestsellers under this keyword, and you can see the design, the title, the merchant price, and the BSR rate, which is the bestsellers rank, and the lower the BSR number, the better. This one has a very low rate, and as we can see, we have here a couple of designs that says just a dad who always came back with the milk, which is, as it seems, it's a sub niche under the Father's Day niche that we can try to work on. It's always a good idea to narrow down the keyword and find sub niches under the broader keyword. So let's enter the just a dad who always came back keyword and press on the search button, and this time we got a total score of C, which is much better than the F, and it's lower than the Father's Day niche. And the total products online are 470 products that have a BSR rate is 309, and these are the key words that are used under this niche, or that you can use if you decide to work on this niche. And again, some of the best sellers under this niche. But let's enter the whole keyword by adding with
the milk. So this is the whole keyword or the whole sub-niche term, and press on the search button, and let's see what we're going to get. This time we get a score of a B, which is perfect to work on. Of course, A is the best and B is also very good, and the total products online are 394. So I always like to work on when the competition is A and or B, and we can see that the BSR numbers are very good, very low. I always prefer to find niches that has BSR numbers of 100k and below, which means it has great sales. So this is the first niche that we found that we can work on, and this was indicated using the competition checker under Merge Informer. So let's check our second niche, which we found on the calendar, the July 4th. Of course, this is a very wide niche, and the total score is F as expected, because the competition is very high and very saturated. But we are going to do the same technique and find sub niches under the same wider niche. So the wide keyword is 4th of July, but we can see that here there is a design that says it's 4th of July brew. We can try to see if narrowing the 4th of July keyword to bro 4th of July is going to work, or is going to direct us to a low competition keyword. This one also says it's 4th of July bro, so I'm going to copy bro and enter the keyword. It's 4th of July bro, and press on the search button, and we got a score of an A. But the total products online with this exact keyword are only 8, so we need to check that this niche has enough products. So this one is, for example, it is irrelevant. It says 100 days of school. It is not a 4th of July design, so we need to make sure that we have enough designs with this exact keyword. It's 4th of July bro. This one, the BSR rate is around 100k, which is great. It has 24 sales per day, but all the other designs that I can see here are irrelevant. So we need to double check on this one before deciding to work on it. Now let's move to the second feature on Merge Informer, which is the movers and shaker found under the product search. This mover and shaker page provides us with all the designs that have recent jumps in sales. We can sort them by daily, weekly, or monthly. I always like to sort these designs by weekly, and this will give us all the designs that has jumps of sales recently. So the sales rank, the lower is the better. So this one, for example, we can see the graphs that shows us the sales rank. If you see that there is a sudden decrease in the graph, it means that the sales rank is increased, and it means that this design started to sell suddenly. So this one, for example, it says that the price changed on the 29th of May, and the sales were on a certain number until June 2nd, and then there is a sudden increase in sales between June 2nd and June 1st tremendously. So this is worth checking. All these designs under the movers and shakers are great opportunities to check because of the sudden increase in sales, which indicates a sudden trend or a sudden movement due to a trend or a specific event. So this 𝗣𝗟 best design, it shows that it was the sales were lower until May the 29th, and then there is a sudden increase in sale on the 29th. And this design, it has jumps in sales. Also, it jumped on the May 31st, between May 31st and June 2nd, which indicates sudden movement and sudden sales. So again, the 𝗣𝗟 best on May 29th was the sales were 3 million, and then the sales rank 3 million, and then the sales rank became less, which means higher sales. The number of the sales rank, the better. So the sudden movement indicates sudden sales and sudden trends on this design, so it's definitely worth checking. And you can also see the BSR rate of the design. Again, some people prefer to work on whenever they see a BSR rates around 5k or less. I like to see BSR rate of 100k or less to start working on. So let's go to the competition checker and press the 𝗣𝗟 best keyword and press on search and see and wait for the result. And this time we got a perfect total score of A with total products online of 170 and products with BSR or 80. So, and the bestsellers keywords says father and dad and mouse, and all the designs have the same keyword, and this one has a very low BSR rate. For example, has a BSR rate of 23, which is perfect, means incredible. You get lots and lots of sales. So this is a perfect design that you can work on. Of course, averts things like Godfather, things like that. It's gonna indicate copyrighted material, so don't use the same font of a movie or something like that. It is not safe. So the following feature is the trademarked press. We are going to check if the father mouse best niche is trademarked or not. So press on the trademarks tab on Merch Informer and press on the trademark alerts, and you can enter all the phrases or keywords in this box. And I'm going to press the father mouse best keyword in addition to a couple of other keywords to check. So the second one that I'm going to enter is the trend that we have spotted earlier, just a dad who always came back with the milk. And I'm going to add two other keywords that I know that they are copyrighted, they are registered, just to check if the trademark alert works fine. So I'm going to enter the keyword endless summer. I know that endless summer is trademarked, and I'm going to enter the word Nike. Obviously Nike is a registered trademark, and press on the save button. Now we have all the 4 keywords entered, but we need to press on the check trademarks button and wait for the result. And as expected, we got 2 unsafe trademarks. The Nike is registered and the endless summer is registered, but the other 2 keywords are safe. So if we press on this icon here, this will take us to see the exact information, and we can see that the word Nike is live and registered on October or April 2025, and this shows that this keyword is not safe to work on for clothing. And this is one of the great features under Merch Informer. You can always check the trademarks of your designs or of your keywords without the need to moving outside the platform. So moving on, we are going to go back to the menu, and this time we're going to go to the keyword finder feature or tab, and we are going to use the keyword 4th of July under the keyword finder and see the results. The keyword finder shows all the keywords under the keyword that we have entered, and we can sort the keywords by ascending order or descending order using the search number. So let's change the entries to 100, and this will give us 100 keywords on the page. So all these are keywords that are under the main keyword 4th of July and the number of items used with this keyword. So we can see that we have here the keyword bro 4th of July, and if we press on the I button, we get to see the details of this keyword. Competition score of an A, the estimated monthly sales volume is 113, and trademark is safe. And if we press on this cart item, we get to see all the designs. We get to see all the designs under this keyword. We get to see like the results data of this, and press the search button. We get to see all the designs that are listed under this keyword. So these are the designs with the keyword it's 4th of July bro, or bro it's 4th of July. And we also get to see results of this keyword. We have total results of 500 results using this keyword, and the average BSR is almost 800k. The lowest price is 13, the highest price is 25, and the competition score is A. But again, the designs with this exact keyword are not much. So the second design, for example, it's a different niche. It says all American bro, and this one says red wine and bro. So this is how this keyword research feature shows you all the details on the keyword and the designs, and how you can use this information to decide to work on this design or not. So let's say we decided to work on this niche, bro it's 4th of July or it's 4th of July. We can also use the Merch Informer designer on the platform to create our own designs without the need to moving outside the platform. We can see there are a couple of designs that has the main keyword it's 4th of July bro. So let's say we decided to work on this design. We can simply go to the Merch designer on the same platform and create our own design without the need to moving outside. So just press on the Merch designer, log in using your information, and this will take you to an online design tool on Merge Informer. The platform has a couple of products that you can use to design on. For the sake of this video, I'm going to select the t-shirt. You can change the color of the t-shirt from the left menu. It's a very simple tool. The main menu is on the left. You can find the text tab here where you can use it to place text on the design, and there are already saved templates that also you can use to change or to update to create your own design. So if you press on this one, for example, it will place the template directly to the artboard where you can change the text, the size or the colors to create your own design. So if we press on the word out, we can change its color from here to blue. On this one, we also can change its color, and we can add through the layers tab, we can see or we can find each layer of all the elements on our design, and also we can use the image tab to upload any images to our artboard. I'm going to upload this design or this image to a design, as I'm going to create the design around its 4th of July bro keyword, and I'm going to change this text to bro, decrease its size, and change the font from the upper menu. There are many fonts already built in on the designer, so I'm going to change its color to red, but I'm going to create different colors of letters. So I'm going to add the R and then the U and the H, and I'm going to change the color of each letter separately to create different effect using the colors of the American flag like so, and move them to the middle. And there's a full academy with tutorials inside Merge Informer telling you how to use the platform, how to do research, how to find keywords, and how to design using the designer. You can check this at your own pace, and for now I'm just showing you a quick way of how to use the platform in a very simple way. So the upper menu you can use to adjust the text, so you can change the effect of the text, change the radius of the curved text, or change the effect of the main text as you like. And once you are satisfied with your final design, you can press on the designs tab to save your design, or press on the download button to download the design to your desktop, and the design will be downloaded with a transparent background in the dimensions of 4500 by 5400, which is the ideal dimensions for Merged by Amazon and most of the print-on-demand platforms. So that was a quick tutorial on how to use the Merge Informer platform to increase your print-on-demand sales by 10x. And this is how I use Merge Informer as one complete platform without the need to go outside the platform to create designs and to check niches and find keywords to create my designs based on actual competition data. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials, and check the link in the description for a discounted rate if you would like to subscribe to any of Merge Informer packages. Thanks for watching.